Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I want to dive into the world of vibe coding and explore how I managed to turn an idea into a functional app in just a weekend. But here's the twist, I'm not a developer, and I didn't even write a single line of code. So, how did I do it? Let's find out. First things first, the power of AI tools like OpenAI's Codex, Claude Code, and Gemini can't be overstated. These tools have democratized app development, allowing anyone with an idea to create something real in a weekend. I've tried my hand at various coding platforms, from Replit to Lovable, and even specialty AI tools like Cursor. The process of turning a concept into a prototype is incredibly accessible, even for non-developers like me. But here's where the real challenge lies: distribution. Once you've coded your app, the real work begins. How do you get it into the hands of others? This is where most projects stall. Many creators struggle with the idea of sharing their work, and that's where the Publish button comes in. Now, let's talk about the cost of hosting your app. Most small apps can get started for free on platforms like Vercel or Netlify, which offer free tiers for basic usage. GitHub is also completely free, making it an excellent option for personal projects and testing. But what happens when your app starts gaining traction? That's when you might need to consider paying for hosting upgrades. The key takeaway here is that distribution is the new development. If your vibe-coded creation never leaves your laptop, it's just a conversation with a bot. To turn your weekend project into a real-world tool, remember these 3 things. Don't let the build be the finish line. Start for free and scale only when you have to, and use the path of least resistance. You don't need to be a DevOps engineer to publish. Use built-in deployment buttons on platforms like Replit or Lovable, or connect Cursor/VS Code to Vercel or Netlify for one-click hosting. In my opinion, the biggest secret of the AI revolution isn't that you can build an app, it's that you can ship one. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your idea, fire up your AI tool of choice, and start vibe coding. Who knows, you might just create the next big thing. And remember, if you've built it, deploy it, even if it's just for 5 friends. Stay curious, and keep coding.